Hello, my name is George, and today I'm going to tell you about the problem that happened with this car. The customer concern was engine is unable to start sometimes and running roughly. The first step to identify the problem is to use a scan tool, the most important tool for all the auto electricians. So the main part is here, scan tool, and all the devices and connectors. So the second one is the multimeter. Also is important because we can make different measurements on it, like voltage, resistance, or amperes, and for check for continuity wires. So just like a multifunction. The second step, guys, we need to locate the connector for the scan tool and plug it in. Usually it depends on the type of car, but on this car it's here. Plug it in and turn the ignition on. Next step is to scan the problem, scan the car. After identification that the problem exactly with the injector number 1 and number 2, using the multimeter we can measure the voltage and resistance on the injectors. So turn it in measurements 20 volts and check the power to the connectors. Injector number 1, yep, it's good measurements. Injector number 2. When we identified that the problem was exactly with the injector connectors, there was no power. So we need to check all the wires going from the injectors through this harness. For that I cut the harness and inspect all the wires. A couple of them were broken. To fix it I made a soldering and then put them together. Put the electrical type and plug the connectors back in. Then start the engine and check the all the engine. All was good, all was perfect. Just to finalize all the steps, we need to put the scan tool back in, check it again, all the faults. All was good, all perfect, ready to start.